Hi students, today we are going to learn an interesting lesson, visual communication. In general, whenever we think of computers, the things that come to our mind is computer screen, keyboard, mouse and CPU. Now shall we learn how to operate the computer? How can we save data and information in the computer? We can save them in folders which accommodate multiple files or a single file. First topic is file. The output we get from any application is commonly referred as file. Therefore, the application for the specific purposes determines the nature of the file. Next topic is folder. A folder is a storage space that contains multiple files. We can create files as per the user's need. The individual book can be considered as a file and the whole set of books in a shelf can be considered as folders. When we right click on the mouse, the pop-up menu appears on the screen with the multiple option. Select new option and a secondary menu comes up with the another set of option. Select folder option in the menu. You can now save your file in the newly created folder. More people are using Windows and Linux operating system in their computers. We use guideboard to go to the unknown places that when we on the computer click the start button at the left corner of the computer, it shows the list of all program in the computer. Now select the required program and create the required files. How can we create files? For example, if the computer is operating on the Windows OS, we can collect our notes in the Notepad application and draw the pictures in the Paint application. As per its name, we can type notes in the notepad and save the created files in a folder. Likewise, in the Paint app, we can draw and edit pictures. With these pictures, let us see how can we create images, gallery, animations and graphics easily. Pictures and audio visuals gives us more understanding than teaching and writing on the blackboard. Instead of saying a story like once upon a time there was a king, we can understand the concept easily by seeing the video, and also it registers firmly in the minds of the students. The device which helps in explaining the concept easily through the pictures is known as visual communication devices. Where Microsoft Photo Story. To make videos with the help of this software, we have to order the photos first, then we have to select a music and keep in a file. Step 1. Open the application of Microsoft Photo Story. In that, select begin a new story and click on next. Step 2. Click import pictures in the next screen. Now the files in our computer will appear. Select saved pictures for video and click on next. Step 3. Now we can input small text which is apt to the pictures. Then click on next and give animation to the videos. We can give audio effect also to these images. After finishing this, click on next. Step 4. To provide the background music, we can select a music file through select music and click on next. Step 5. Next, select a title for the story and select the place where it has to be saved in your computer. Then through settings, change the format of the video. Step 6. Now our video is ready to view. Click view your story. You can see your video now. Move on the topic graphics and animations. Raster graphic. The picture or image which is created by raster graphic is entered as it is as file and data. Pictures are of two types. One is vector, another is the raster. Raster graphics are created on the basis of pixels. Move on the next topic, Inkscape. First, we have to scan the picture we have drawn in the computer. Step 2. Then we have to open the picture in the Inkscape software. Select the entire picture. Step 3. Select path option. From the submenu, select trace bitmap option. Step 4. Do the correction in the small screen which appear. Now, upload this edited images and click on OK. Step 5. Now, close the screen of the trace bitmap. Now click the picture that appears on the present screen and drag it. You will get the vector graphic on the drawn picture. Save it by clicking the Save button and save it in your choice of file format. Move on, two-dimensional and three-dimensional images. The two-dimensional 2D images have only the two dimensions, length and height. But three-dimensional images 3D have length, height and width. 3D images appear in front of our eyes like it happens in the real world. Three-dimensional videos will bring the scene alive before our eyes. Already there are three-dimensional films. Now three-dimensional games have also got released. Thank you.